Namaste दोस्तों. Are you planning your wedding? Your wedding card is the first glimpse of your big day and it says a lot about what's coming. आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट रूल्स जो आपको अपने वेडिंग इनविटेशन बनाते वक्त याद रखने चाहिए. Let's get started. Number 1. Timing is everything. Send your wedding invitation 8 to 12 weeks before the wedding. अगर destination wedding है तो कम से कम 4-6 months पहले इनवाइट भेजना ज़रूरी है. This give your guests enough time to plan, RSVP and arrange travel. और हमेशा RSVP की deadline mention करें. Now second point is keep it simple and clear. So basically your wedding card should include only the essentials: name of the couple, date, time, venue and dress code. Details overload मत करिए. Use inserts or wedding website to share extra information like hotel stays or the wedding schedule. And next is set the tone with the design. The design of a wedding card should match the vibe of your wedding. Formal wedding, go for classic fonts and subtle colors. Casual या theme wedding के लिए bold colors और creative design try करें. Remember your wedding card should reflect your style. Okay, so next point is proofread like a pro. Before printing, हर एक डिटेल्स को 2-3 बार proofread करें. A single typo can ruin the impression. Ask a family member or a friend to review it too. It's always better to have a second pair of eyes. Fifth point, that is respect tradition. If it's an Indian wedding, don't forget to mention parents' name. It's a beautiful tradition. For Christian wedding, phrases like together with their families are commonly used. These little details make your card meaningful and cultural appropriate. So next point is don't ignore the envelope, right? Pay attention to the envelope. Use a high quality envelope that complement your card. Addresses handwrite करें या calligraphy का use करें. It's at a personal touch. So दोस्तों, there were 6 essential rules to make your wedding invitation perfect. Remember, your wedding card is not just a piece of paper. It's the first impression of your big day. Follow these tips and your guest will super impressed. Best wishes for your wedding planning. Thank you.